Good afternoon, everybody. At the outset, the first thing which I would like to say is that this was just an idea, but I take this opportunity to thank the MET, Dr. Page, the trustees, because they had the guts, they had the vision to go ahead with this idea. So can we thank all of us out here? Why I wanted to thank the contest, what we are talking about is, though internet is there since years, never ever a contest of this scale, of this size or of this magnitude has ever happened online. You can check it out. Most importantly, the prizes, if you see, if you Google it out also, of the contest which were there globally also, within India also, did not go mere thousands. So MET has taken a stand to gift winners with a big token of 1 lakh rupees. It's a big amount for a student. What has been uniquely done about this contest is, we are using the platform where the students are comfortable with either mobile or either website. Since it is free of cost, the only thing is that the students in the final year, most of the students, if you see, be it MCA or engineering or MBA students who go for summer internships, they also do the project work. So the idea is, whatever project they do, make it of use to themselves, to the owner and to the other world also. And can they submit this contest, in the contest, whatever work they are doing. So the basic idea is not only doing that work, but also spreading it. When I had been to Israel, I had seen that whenever a student comes with an idea, even if the idea was a failure, the Innovation Center in Israel used to award him a certificate. So I was quite puzzled. In India, if a student fails in 10th standard, everybody is stamping him. You are a failure. And that stamping, which starts in our society, which starts in our culture, goes a long way. So what I understood, that in Israel, they had the guts even to felicitate the failures for this idea. And MET has taken a first step. It's a daring step. No one has ever thought of it, of having the contest online wherein students from all walks of life can participate. And with the international agencies, Google Developer Group, Google Developer, Mr. Sri is also there from Google Business Group out here, could be also sharing about what his things he is doing. Google Developer Group is one of the voluntary group of people. They are having almost 2000 plus chapters all over the world. In India, almost 42 or 46 chapters are there. So the kind of integration, and Management Teachers Consortium is also global in phenomena. It is no doubt dominant in India, but they are having almost 10,000 of the teachers, management teachers, who are a part of that. So what we are trying to do is taking all the peers in the marketplace, the best peers who have the same vision about contributing to the society, especially the students who are going to be the future of this universe. Thank you very much.